Hello everyone, and welcome to English Education Time. In today's video, we're going to explore action verbs in English, the words that bring sentences to life. Whether you're new to English or just looking to improve, understanding action verbs is key to expressing yourself clearly. So, grab a notebook, get ready to learn, and let's dive right in. Work. Work. Eat. Eat. Crawl. Crawl. Sing. Sing. Shake hand. Shake hand. Teach. Teach. Call. Call. Dig. Dig. Wait. Wait. Fight. Fight. Press. Press. Scratch. Scratch. Write. Write. Sleep. Sleep. Cut. Cut. Fly. Fly. Stop. Stop. Bathe. Bathe. Paint. Paint. Fix. Fix. Dance. Dance. Organize. Organize. Repair. Repair. Manage. Manage. Design. Design. Vomit. Vomit. Draw. Draw. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we post new content. We hope this video helped you improve your vocabulary and boost your learning journey. All the best, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.